Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to run binary option robot Alpha Master. You can use this robot also, just use the link you see up there right now and you can download this robot and get started today. Or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also, as you can see, we are running a competition where you can win $50. This competition will run till Friday. What you need to be a part of this competition is to like this video, subscribe to my channel, see the video from end to start, and make a comment below the video with your Bitcoin address or USDT address. Also below the video you'll find a link to my free Forex Telegram channel, so if you have any interest about that, check it out. But now let's start up Alpha Master. And there we have it. We made 3 trades, 67%, so we only got 1 loss. So not too much action, but by the way, good. You can use this robot also. Just download the robot by clicking this robot thing you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.